it's Bev Code. I am sharing OohLaLa, DigiKit, Naughty and Nice, and that's a sponsor for Crafter's Castle Challenge this month. I have a beautiful page. I called it Believe, and as you can see, it has amazing, fabulous accents, stunning paper accents and trims. I will be sharing with you the detailed slideshow here of all the amazing things that are available in this kit. The absolute stunning borders, the super fun floral clusters and doilies are amazing. The full kit comes with all kinds of accents and trims. As you can see, they're all well coordinated. There are also so many very cute images that will coordinate with any project that you will be working on. The words come in very beautiful fonts available. The major clustering that goes on the fabulous pages that you work on today are already pre-done and organized for you. There's lots of fun journal tags, and as you can see, the coloring is rich and elegant. Be sure to join us on the blog and play along with the challenge, and also check out the other DG projects. They are all amazing. Thanks and have a great day.